Let us start the session. Gurureva gatirgurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na gurof paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti guro mama pahi guro ब्रवीमि संस्कृतं वाचा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं हृदा कुर्वे सेवाञ्च कायेन वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् यो नरः संस्कृतव्योम्नि ह्यालयं रमते मुदा संस्कृतिं चैव संस्कारं विन्दते नात्र संशयः. Ram Ram Ram. Welcome you all to the first class of Learn to Chant the 5 timeless gems from Ramayana. This class will be conducted from Thursday to Saturday, 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. IST. Approximate 25 sessions will be conducted. This course is conducted by Srimati Ramya Mangalakshmi. She holds a master's in master's degree in Carnatic music and Bharatanatyam, and is a passionate teacher of the fine arts. She has received national recognition for her for Bhagavad Gita chanting, demonstrating mastery across all 18 chapters. She is an expert educator and mentor. She guides learners in Sanskrit chanting, grammar assessments, and Shastric studies. She is a highly engaging teacher. She inspires youth and children by blending epic narratives, devotion, and accessible learning methods. Volunteer and panelist for this course, Miss Ishwari will be editing and uploading the classes. And for this course, we have 6 panelists: Kumari Nitya Pai, Kumari Siddhi, Kumari Dhatri, Karthik Shastri, and Kumari Aditi, Kumari Sharanya Bhatt, and Chi Sai Ankit Jadhav. So now let us see in which and all ways we can join the class. So as you can see, we have 3 multiple ways to join the class. One, using computer or mobile browser. You just want to log in to Sanskrit from home.org website with your credential, and under today's class you will be able to see join now button once teacher starts the class. And through email, you will receive an email once the class has been started. So through that also you'll be able to join the class. One of the easiest way is using mobile app. I will share the link once my presentation completes. If you just open the mobile app, you will be able to see join now button of the particular class. Through that, you'll be able to join the class. And make sure that the class has been started. If you have already logged in to the website or mobile application, then you should refresh the page once, and you'll be able to see join now button. So as I said, we have 2 mobile applications. Mobile applications for both Android as well as iOS device. You can just scan these QR codes, or I'll share the link once my presentation completes. So in mobile application, you will be able to access recordings of the class. You will be able to join the class, and you can also take assessments in the mobile app itself. You can get the announcement and notification, etc. You will be also able to join the course. So some of the frequently asked questions, like, will I get access to session recordings? Yes, you will be able to get access after 48 hours once the class is completed. As you can see in the screenshots, under content section, you will be able to see the recordings. which we are uploading. And um, so how to access the recordings under continue learning? You just click on the um, course, so you'll be able to uh, see the contents. And will I get slide desk? No, as per company policy, we are not giving slide desk. So you can access ebooks and audio, and also we have audio product in our digital OTT platform. We have attached the uh, link of both, like audio device and sorry, audio product and ebook in the curriculum. So you just go to the course page and you'll be able to find it out. And make sure that you have appropriate uh, premium version of our OTT platform. And is there a WhatsApp group? Yes, we have WhatsApp group for this course. You can just scan this QR code, or I will share the link. And also, this WhatsApp group link has been attached in the curriculum also. So you will be able to find it out. So some of the webinar guidelines. If you have any doubts, you just raise your hands so that a teacher can clarify your doubt, or else you can write your query in Q&A section, or once you get chance, you just unmute yourself and you can communicate with the teacher. For the better experience, use headphones so that you can listen to the class clearly. And some of the important note, like uh, for lag free attending the class, you just close all the apps which was running in the background. And if you have any query doubts, just write an email for sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in, or you can contact 9480865623. Thank you.
Ram Sarvebhyah. Swagatam Suswagatam. So, like we heard right now, we shall be learning to chant the 5 timeless gems from Ramayana. Ramayana, like all of us know, the first Rishi to write Ramayana was Valmiki. So, from the Valmiki Ramayana, few shlokas, it is our bhagyam that we have, it is our good fortune, got this opportunity to learn these few shlokas from the evergreen Ramayanam. So they are the Dhyana shlokas, Sankshepa Ramayanam, Gayatri Ramayanam, Aditya Hridayam, and the Mangala shlokas. The Dhyana shlokas, like all of us know, they are the invocatory verses which are chanted before the beginning. In the Sampradaya, generally, widely, which those shlokas which are chanted before the Parayanam of Ramayana are the Dhyana shlokas. Most of the shlokas just picked from them. We are going to learn those Dhyana shlokas. Followed by Sankshepa Ramayanam, that is the first, that's the first chapter in the whole Ramayana. It is the conversation between Rishi Narada and Valmiki, where we get the whole crux of the Ramayana, the whole summary of the Ramayana in just about 100 shlokas. So all the instances in Ramayana are covered there, where Narada narrates it to Rishi Valmiki before he begins to write the Ramayana. So that is the Sankshepa Ramayana. From the first Balakanda is the first Sarga. So the next, followed by that, we shall be learning the Gayatri Ramayanam. It is a Ramayanam which is where there are 24 shlokas which are selected from Ramayana. So the Ramayana has 24,000 shlokas. So every 1,000 shloka, starting from 1, every 1,000 shloka is picked, and it is collated into Gayatri Ramayana. So the we have the word Gayatri there because it also comes together with the Gayatri mantra. The first letters, when joined from each shloka, gives us almost gives us the Gayatri mantra. So it is the Gayatri Ramayanam which we shall be learning, and in a way that is also somewhat it will be giving us the summary of the Ramayana. The main instances of Ramayana will be covered there. And the Aditya Hridayam, it is from the Yuddha Kanda, where Agastya Muni teaches this to Sri Rama before the Ravana Yuddha, before the final day of Ravana Yuddha. He teaches this to Sri Rama. It is a very more than anything, it gives us a very good health. That is no, and it is a prostration to Lord Surya. That is what is the Aditya Hridayam. So finally, we shall be finishing with the Mangala Shlokas. Mangala Shlokas are generally chanted at the end of any Parayana, and these Shlokas can be chanted in the end of the Ramayana Parayanam or any other Parayanam also. So these are the 5 gems which we get to learn from the Ramayana in this course. And like we said, it is round the corner. In a month, in about 2 months, we have Ramanavami, and so before Ramanavami, we get an opportunity to do the Samarpanam of learning and teaching few shlokas from Ramayana. So we shall be beginning today with the Dhyana shlokas. And the class, initially I shall be teaching the shlokas to the panelists. All of you can repeat at your places. You will not have the option of mute or switching on your videos until I give you the option. So please do not have a doubt that you do not have an option to unmute. In the end of the class, after we've completed learning how many ever shlokas that day, I shall be, you can raise your hands, the participants can raise their hands. At the end, we shall have the chanting by the participants and the doubt clearing. It depends on each day. So chanting tomorrow, I might ask the participants to chant the shlokas which we learned today, and so forth. Day after, whatever we learned yesterday. And those will be the chanting by the participants. So you also do get a chance to chant and get yourselves corrected. And next, if you have few doubts which you want to be cleared, we shall also have just 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes in the end, maybe alternate days, where I will be helping you clear your doubts. More than that, like we had, we heard that we can also contact Vyoma directly if you have any other particular doubts other than the course. So this course, we will not be covering any meaning. It is just purely a chanting course where we learn the shlokas. So we shall be beginning the class today, beginning with the Dhyana shlokas. Aditi?
Ram Ram.
Ram. शुक्लाम्बरधरम्
शुक्लाम्बरधरम् शुक्लाम्बरधरम्
विष्णुं
विष्णुं विष्णुं
शशिवर्णं
शशिवर्णं शशिवर्णं
चतुर्भुजं
चतुर्भुजं चतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं
प्रसन्नवदनं प्रसन्नवदनं
ध्यायेत्
ध्यायेत् ध्यायेत्
सर्वविघ्न
सर्वविघ्न सर्वविघ्न
उपशान्तये
उपशान्तये उपशान्तये
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजम्
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजम् शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजम्
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
Chant the shloka twice.
शुक्लाम्बरधरौ विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजम् प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
Twice.
शुक्लाम्बरधरौ विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजम् प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
Okay, good. Sharanya? वागीशाद्याः
वागीशाद्याः
सुमनसः
सर्वार्थानां उपक्रमे
यन्नत्वा tell that as yannatva कृतकृत्यास्युः
तन्नमामि
गजाननम् वागीशाद्याः
सुमनसः
Okay, there is Vagishadhyas Sumanasah. I should hear that is. Tell that again once.
वागीशाद्याः सुमनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे
यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्यास्युः तन्नमामि गजाननम् वागीशाद्याः सुमनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे यन्नत्वा त्वा कृतकृत्या स्युः तन्नमामि गजाननम्
यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्या स्युः तन्नमामि गजाननम् यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्या स्युः तन्नमामि गजाननम्
Good. Sorry. Va. Okay, tell the shloka twice.
वागीशासु मनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्या स्युः तन्नमामि गजाननम् वागीशाद्यासु मनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्या स्युः तन्नमामि गजाननम्
Good. Sayankit. दोर्भिर्युक्ता
दोर्भिर्युक्ता
चतुर्भिः
चतुर्भिः
स्फटिकमणिमयीम्
स्फटिकमणिमयीम्
अक्षमालान् दधाना
अक्षमालान् दधाना
हस्तेनैकेन पद्मम्
हस्तेनैकेन पद्मम्
सितमपि च शुकम्
सितमपि च शुकम्
पुस्तकं चापरेण
पुस्तकं चापरेण
परसवर्ण पुस्तकं चाप टेल इन्
पुस्तकं चापरेण
भासा कुन्देन्दु
भासाकुन्देन्दु
शङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा
शङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा
भासमाना समाना
समाना
सा मे वाग्देवतेयम्
सा मे वाग्देवतेयम्
निवसतु
वदने
सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना
सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना
दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीम्
दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीम्
अक्षमालान् दधाना
अक्षमालान् दधाना
हस्तेनैकेन पद्मम् सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण
सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण
भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा
भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा
भासमाना समाना
भासमाना समाना भासमाना समाना
सा मे वाग्देवतेयं
सा मे वाग्देवतेयं सा मे वाग्देवतेयं
निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना
निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना.
Good. Now for the full line. दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां दधाना
दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां दधाना दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां दधाना.
Good. हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण
हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण
भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना
भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना.
सा मे वाग्देवतेयन्निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना
सा मे वाग्देवतेयन्निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना सा मे वाग्देवतेयन्निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना.
Chant the whole shloka twice.
दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां दधाना हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयन्निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां दधाना हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयन्निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना.
Anti. कूजन्तम्
कूजन्तम् कूजन्तम्
राम रामेति
राम रामेति राम रामेति
मधुरम्
मधुरम् मधुरम्
मधुराक्षरम्
मधुराक्षरम् मधुराक्षरम्
आरुह्य
आरुह्य आरुह्य
कविताशाखाम्
कविताशाखां कविताशाखां
वन्दे
वन्दे वन्दे
वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्
वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्
कूजन्तं राम रामेति
कूजन्तं राम रामेति कूजन्तं राम रामेति
मधुरं मधुराक्षरम्
मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् मधुरं मधुराक्षरम्
आरुह्य कविताशाखाम्
आरुह्य कविताशाखाम् आरुह्य कविताशाखाम्
वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्
वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्
कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम्
कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम्
आरुह्य कविताशाखाम् वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्
आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्.
Just a minute, just for information, we are splitting all the shlokas, even the Anushtup shlokas, into 4. So we are not joining the whole line. So in case you're joining the whole line, you can join the Sandhi, or if there is a Parasavarna there or a Sandhi there, we can definitely join. As far as possible, we are just keeping it as 4 lines in whichever, even if it is a small chandas or a big chandas, we are keeping it as in 4 parts. So here we will be telling Aruhya Kavita Shakham only, not Aruhya Kavita Shakham Vande, since we are splitting it. Aditi, you can tell it twice.
कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्.
Good. Sharanya. वाल्मीकेः
वाल्मीकेः वाल्मीकेः
मुनिसिंहस्य
मुनिसिंहस्य
कविता
कविता
वनचारिणः
वनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादम्
को नयाति पराङ्गतिम् वाल्मीकेर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः
कवितावनचारिणः कवितावनचारिणः
शृण्वन् रामकथानादम्
शृण्वन् रामकथानादम् शृण्वन् रामकथानादम्
को न याति पराङ्गतिम्
को न याति पराङ्गतिम् को न याति पराङ्गतिम्
वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः
वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः
शृण्वन् रामकथानादम् को न याति पराङ्गतिम्
शृण्वन् रामकथानादम् को न याति पराङ्गतिम् शृण्वन् रामकथानादम् को न याति पराङ्गतिम्
Full sloka twice.
वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादम् को न याति पराङ्गतिम् वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादम् को न याति पराङ्गतिम्
Good. Sankit. यः पिबन्
यः पिबन्
सततं
सततं
रामचरितामृत
रामचरितामृत
सागरम्
सागरम् अतृप्तस्तं
मुनिं वन्दे
मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसम् अकल्मषम्
यः पिबन्
सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम्
अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम्
यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम्
अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम्
अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिर्वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम्
Full shloka twice.
यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिर्वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिर्वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम्.
Okay. In this shloka, the first line has to be chanted continuously, like we chanted it right now. So we cannot split the first line. So first line has to be chanted fully. Aditi? गोष्पदीकृत
गोष्पदीकृत गोष्पदीकृत
वाराशिं
वाराशिं वाराशिं
मशकीकृत
मशकीकृत मशकीकृत
राक्षसं
राक्षसं राक्षसं
रामायण
रामायण रामायण
महामाला
महामाला महामाला
रत्नौ वन्दे
रत्नौ वन्दे रत्नौ वन्दे
अनिलात्मजम्
अनिलात्मजम् अनिलात्मजम्
गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिम्
गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिम् गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिम्
मशकीकृतराक्षसम्
मशकीकृतराक्षसम् मशकीकृतराक्षसम्
रामायण महामाला
रामायण महामाला रामायण महामाला
रत्नौ वन्दे नीलात्मजम्
रत्नौ वन्दे नीलात्मजम् रत्नौ वन्दे नीलात्मजम्
गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसम्
गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिम् मशकीकृतराक्षसम् गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिम् मशकीकृतराक्षसम्
रामायण महामाला रत्नौ वन्दे नीलात्मजम्
रामायण महामाला रत्नौ वन्दे नीलात्मजम् रामायण महामाला रत्नौ वन्दे नीलात्मजम्
Okay, tell it twice.
गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिम् मशकीकृतराक्षसम् रामायण महामाला रत्नौ वन्दे नीलात्मजम् गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिम् मशकीकृतराक्षसम् रामायण महामाला रत्नौ वन्दे नीलात्मजम्.
Okay, good. Today we shall end our learning here. Only today we shall have the panelists revise today's shlokas. From tomorrow, you shall be the learner shall be revising the previous day shlokas, and panelists also shall be doing it. So according to the time, however the time permits, today we shall have the panelists revise all of today's shlokas once. The first two shlokas Aditi, next three shlokas Sayankit, last two shlokas Sharanya. Yes.
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये वागीशाद्याः सुमनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्या स्युः तन्नमामि गजाननम्.
Good. Sayankit.
दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां दधाना हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयन्निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना. कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्. वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति पराङ्गतिम्.
Wait, Sharanya.
यः पिबन् सततं राम चरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम्.
Okay, repeat the shloka first line fully together.
Okay.
We tend to break it. Tell it together.
यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम्. गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशाकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण
महामाला रत्नम्. Okay, Aditi, continue.
Akash, should I repeat
Tell
the
the
shloka?
shloka once. This shloka once.
Oh, okay. गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामाला रत्नौ वन्दे नीलात्मजम्.
Okay, good. So, dhanyavadaha sarvebhya. Today we shall end our class here. Ram Ram Ram. Punarmilamaha. And the course materials, you will definitely have it on the course page. If not, we shall definitely update you soon. Dhanyavadaha sarvebhya. Ram Ram Ram.